Yeah, hi, John, it's Mark at FMAV. Okay, just to let you know that I've done your part for you. Um, okay, now basically on inspection, looking at it from outside, it's absolutely mint, and yeah, I've taken it apart. I've given it a minor clean because I'll tell you what, I'll be honest with you, this is probably the best unit, okay, for a CDM 12 or 1252 that I've ever seen. It's absolutely spanking brand new, and it's absolutely nice to work on. Let me just turn this on for you. It's absolutely nice to work on because I ain't got to do anything. I ain't got to take everything apart and clean this and clean that. It's mint. It's absolutely mint. This is like a new part. So yeah, I've gone ahead and changed the laser. Okay, I did notice the laser was working intermittently, but I have changed the laser. Okay, because obviously the laser is going to be, probably about sort of 17 years old. And to me, it looks like the original laser. I'll send the laser back anyway. But now you shouldn't have any more faults with this. Let me just turn this. If you can, you should be able to hear that playing now. So hopefully, let me just turn it down a bit. Hopefully, this will be all sorted for you now, and you're not going to get any more issues. So yeah, it's like I say, it's brand new part, so it's had hardly any use at all. So yeah, it's a really good part and nice to work on. So yeah, okay, John. Let me just turn it off because it's. So yeah, very happy with doing that work for you, and yeah, you should not get any problems with that, at all, because the ball's like brand new. It's beautiful. So yeah, okay. Anyway, you got a 6-month warranty on the laser itself. The part that I've changed for you. So if you did get any problems, we replaced that free of charge, of course, under warranty. I don't think you're going to get any issues anyway for probably for another 17 years, to be honest with you, because it's such a mint part. But anyway, John, thank you very much, and anything else you need, you've got my number. Just give me a call direct and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Thanks again, and you have a great day.